make yourself throw up. Number 1. Use your finger. Pushing your finger down your throat over your tongue will help induce vomiting. When your finger comes in contact with the base of your tongue, your body reacts and causes a gag reflex. This in turn makes you nauseous and prompt you to vomit. Number 2. Drinking warm salt water. Add a teaspoon or 2 of salt to a glass of warm water. Consume the saline solution in a single gulp. It may take 25 to 30 minutes to induce vomit. Salt contains sodium. Excess sodium can cause a shift in the natural electrolyte balance of your body and force you to expel the salt water. Number 3. Gargle. Add a teaspoon of salt to a glass of warm water. Stir to dissolve it and take a sip of salt water and hold it in your mouth. Tilt your head slightly and keep gargling for at least 10 minutes. Gargling with warm water triggers a gag reflex which induces vomiting. However, the gargling should be intense. You can also add salt to warm water gargles to further accelerate the process. Number 4. Use a toothbrush. You can use your toothbrush to induce vomit. This method will be especially helpful if you aren't comfortable with the idea of sticking your finger down your throat. You may rub your toothbrush against the back of your tongue and watch yourself throw up almost immediately. Number 5. Think about vomiting. Think about vomiting and all things that make you sick to compel your body to throw up. When you focus your mind on the sights, smells and sounds that make you sick, you feel nauseated and tend to vomit. Number 6. Gargle with egg whites. Think of gargling with egg whites and throughout itself may make a few pukes. The unpleasant smell and taste of raw egg whites can cause you to throw up almost instantly. Number 7. Expose yourself to unpleasant smells and sights. Expose yourself to sickening or unpleasant sights like watching someone else throw up. Unpleasant views and smell can stimulate you to throw up. Number 8. Take baking soda. One of the many side effects of consuming too much sodium bicarbonate is nausea and vomiting. Number 9. Mustard solution. Mix a teaspoon or 2 of mustard in a glass of water and drink the solution in one go. Mustard possesses natural emetic properties. Consuming it can make you nausea and induce vomiting. Number 10. Bloodroot Herb. Make some bloodroot powder in a glass of water and consume it. Bloodroot, also known as bloodwort. It is a plant used traditionally to cure various health issues.